In this video, we will discuss elements of art as they apply to visual arts. The elements of art are line, shape, form, space, color, value, and texture. Every work of art has at least one of these elements, or may have many elements all working together. Artists use the elements of art as the building blocks for creating the composition of a work. Line. Line is the most basic design element of art. Line is a continuous mark moving in space. Lines can be thick or thin, straight or wavy, 2- or 3-dimensional, descriptive, implied, or abstract. When lines come together, they form shapes. Shape. Shapes can be geometric, like squares, triangles, and circles, or natural shapes, like leaves, rocks, and plants. Shape can be 2-dimensional and flat, as in a painting or a photograph. Shape can give the appearance of a third dimension in a picture or painting, or have a real third dimension, as in a sculpture. When shape provides an implied or real third dimension, it creates form. Form. Objects with form take up space, either real or implied. Form includes the height, width, and depth of an object and how it occupies space. Space. Space, or mass, is the distance around, above, within, or between objects in a work of art. Space can be the area taken up by an object, or the space that is around that object. Space can often be defined by the use of color. Color. Color is the most expressive element in art. Color is an important element of art that affects composition in many different ways. Colors are comprised of hue, intensity, and value. Hue is the actual color. There are primary and secondary colors. Colors can be complementary or contrasting. Colors can have intensity. Colors can be strong and bright, or faint and dull. Colors always have a value. Value. Value is the lightness or darkness of colors and tones within a work of art. When light colors are next to dark colors, it creates contrast. The use of different colors and values can help give a sense of texture. Texture. Texture is the perception of how a work of art feels. Texture can be rough, smooth, wet, dry, soft, or hard. Texture may be implied in a 2-dimensional picture or painting, or real in a 3-dimensional work such as a sculpture. These are the elements of art. They are the building blocks of composition in works of art, but they are also present in the natural world all around us.